Alright, let's talk about DNS. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me make this super simple. Imagine the internet is a giant city. Every website is a house with its own secret address. These addresses aren't street names. They're long strings of numbers, like 192.168.1.1. Not exactly easy to remember, right? That's where DNS comes in. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the internet's phone book. Let's say you want to visit YouTube. You type youtube.com into your browser. Your computer doesn't actually understand those words. It needs the number address. So your computer asks DNS, "Hey, what's the address for youtube.com?" DNS looks it up. DNS finds the right number. DNS sends it back. Now your computer knows exactly where to go, and boom, you're watching cat videos. Here's a fun analogy. Imagine remembering everyone's phone number instead of their names. Total chaos, right? DNS saves you from that nightmare. But DNS isn't just convenience. It helps the internet run faster and more securely, making sure you get to the right place every time. So next time you're surfing the web, remember, DNS is working quietly in the background into numbers and making the internet feel more human. And hey, if you want to sound techie at a party, just drop. Did you know DNS is like the internet's phone book? Trust me, you'll sound like a genius. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in the next one.